So first thing, I've got a piece of 50mm copper tube. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be bending a 90-degree bend. Now we're going to do it a set distance. The way we're going to do this is what's called the loose pipe method. So I'm going to do my first bend 150mm, which is going to be from the end of the pipe to the centre of the bend. Now, what I'm going to do is put it in the bender. So we need to put the bender like this, and the pipe is going to go into the former like that. Now we need the 15mm guide, and I'm just going to use that and pull the handle a little bit just so it stays in position for me. Now I'm just going to get a scrap piece of copper, and this is where this loose pipe method comes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the pipe in, and where the centre meets the mark is where I want to be. So I need to come back a little bit. So I'm banging the centre. Now I can even use set square. Whether you've got a set square with you or not, I don't know, but there you go. And the set square can also tell us if we're banging the centre or not. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand the bender up, just pull it a little bit so it doesn't move. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull the pipe so it bends around the corner. So the stretch is going away from my measurement. So the pipe will gain, but I don't care because it'll be pushing it that way, because this will be a fixed point. So my fixed point from here to the centre of the pipe will be 150mm, hopefully, when we've bent it. So just going to bend the pipe around now. Now what we're aiming for is a square bend. Now what we have to do is we have to slightly over bend it, because once I release the pressure it will spring back. So again, some benders have these marks already on. They might go 30 degrees, 45, 90. We can also use a set square to help us to see whether we're square or not. So if we release the pressure, and we can now see whether we are around about where we are. It's not a million miles out, so I can now take that out. Let's put that to one side, and let's use the square now and see whether we are square or not by standing it up. And that is, I don't know whether you can see that, but that is pretty good. That's pretty square with the table. Now then, measuring it. Now, little trick for you. If you want to find the centre line of your pipe, just place something metal on the edge and scrape across like that. It is actually better if it's a dirty pipe. So we've scratched across it, and that should give us our centre measurement. So remember, from the end of there to the centre of there, we want 150mm. So if I place this now, this straight edge, on the centre of the pipe, on that mark I've just made, and I get my tape measure, it should be from there to the end of the pipe, which is there, 150mm. So that is the first bend done.